again, YouTube. Hey, I just wanted to come on real quick and see if anybody out there watching is in the Pittsburgh area. Now that I got my date, I'm going to be going to a support group, and I've met a lot of great people on here, but it doesn't seem like anybody's very close to me. So I was hoping that somebody out there in the weight loss community is near me, and maybe we could meet up and share our successes and celebrate together, and have somebody nearby that we can connect with. So if you're in the Pittsburgh area, let me know. PM me or leave a comment. I'd be glad to meet you. In case this is the first video you're watching, my name's Pam. And I'm getting the gastric sleeve on March 20th down in Pittsburgh. So if you are from Pittsburgh, or if you know anybody from Pittsburgh, let me know. Okay, thanks. Bye.